Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1299 and today's topic is year 2025 is shaping the world from classical to quantum world, and 2025 is going to be very fastest as compared to previous year 2024. Let me take this opportunity to wish you all prosperous and happy new year 2025. But let me share my own experience. I don't believe in changing the new calendar with new dates 2025, rather than I believe in changing the attitude with new year, because unless we change our attitude there is no chance of improvement. And if I say attitude, means it is comprising of your habits, good or bad. So replace your bad habits with new ones, means go for new skills, new emerging technologies, and learn on daily basis and have creative thinking. And when we are saying creative thinking, let me make it very clear here. There are two types of thinking. One is called creative thinking, other one is called overthinking. Too much thinking, you are sitting, closing your eye, and lot of dreams, lot of imaginations coming and going. No need. That time is over. It's high-tech time, quantum world. We are entering in quantum world. Means critical thinking means with aim and objective. And once there is no aim and objective, if your thinking is not focused, with aim, with objective, it is all rubbish, and that is called overthinking. Now, what is difference in aim and objective? Aim means is a broad meaning. My aim is to go and get admission in university. This may be my aim. My aim is to go to Abuja. This is my aim. My aim is to go to New York, USA or India. It's my aim. So my aim is to go to Abuja. For what? Is it to attend the conference? To attend the conference is specific. That is objective. My traveling to New York is aim, but my objective is to go and study or to go and meet my loved one. That is my objective. So that is called critical thinking. It should be very clear with aim and objectives, that you are going to learn some new skills of artificial intelligence, of robotic, of automation, green technology, blue technology, laser technology, and plasma technology, lot of new emerging technologies. That is your aim and objective. That is called critical thinking. Now, I have given this cartoon. Let me explain this cartoon. All what I have written, actually I am sharing my experience with my loved one, with my friends, with my students, and global community. Because this platform of YouTube I am using for that purpose. And I have my 1,300 lectures, and my driver is holding my smartphone, and I am sharing my experience. My most of the experience is about the lifestyle, and I am always mentioning I am here to share my scientific knowledge, medicinal chemistry knowledge about inflammation, chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, because more than 70 papers are published on inflammation with new structures. So I am sharing this, my medicinal chemistry knowledge. I am always saying that I am just telling you how to control your lifestyle patterns so that you are not having some, I call it, health condition. Otherwise, if it is bacterial, viral, fungal, amoebic infection, go to your physician. That is a must. But before that, if you are taking care and controlling your lifestyle, your habit, your discipline, your food, your diet, drink, everything, 90% problem is over. You are not going to doctor. So that is what I am doing. So here I have made this cartoon. Now your 2024, he is almost, he has jumped one step here and one step is above. He has gone to 2025. Today is 2nd January 2025. Now he was in classical world. From classical world, he is taking jump to quantum world, because in the first week of 2025, when I went through the news, I found that already the Google has introduced quantum chip, and that is called Willow chip, and that chip is fastest qubits in second, and it is given that it has 10 septillion years speed, data and all this. It has crossed all the limit, and in one word, if I am saying anything, it will be the whole, not world, whole universe in pocket. And I cannot count how many zeros are there in 10 septillion, up to trillion, billion, 9, 12, and go on adding 3, 3, 3, 0 like that, maybe 10 to the power 25 or 70 or 50. That is the meaning of 10 septillion. So it's a quantum world. Then I have mentioned here this classical world where we are living, where there is certainty. Everything is certain. Your time is certain, your distance is certain, your spot or destination is certain. We are all in certainty. But once you have entered into, that is from classical to quantum world, it is towards probability and uncertainty. Let me give you an example. Certainty means if I am going from Maiduguri to Abuja, Nigerian capital, I know the distance is 1100 kilometers. I know the speed of the taxi which I am going to take, that is 100 kilometers. And if I am starting by time morning 7, then I am expecting very clear that after 11 hours I will be in Abuja. So everything is certain. Your distance is certain, your movement is certain, your time is certain, your amount of energy, what you are using in the form of petroleum, that is certain, that 40 liter, 50 liter, whatever. Everything is towards certainty. Once you are entering in quantum, so there neither time is certain, nor energy is certain, nor spot. It is all intangible, in vibration. For example, it is certain that this is head, this is tail. Two position, head and tail. But if it is moving like this, intangible, it is uncertain, dancing, vibrating, and with lot of energy in the form of photon and quanta, all these things. That's why the word quantum came. Very soon our digital age, electronic age is shifting towards quantum world. So in 2025, we are going to have lot of different type of skills, different type of new emerging technologies. They are all connected to only one thing, That is called data. Data is everything today. Everything will be your whole, all technologies are under the umbrella data. So here I have given you, that is about classical perfection and unskilled. The people who are living in classical world, they are very perfect, but they are not skilled. When we are entering in 2025 quantum world, digital world, we don't want perfection. Whether you are drinking wine or beer or where you are sleeping, not sleeping, forget it. We don't care for your social, political, family background, behavior. We want only skill, that's all. If you are unskilled, whatever perfection you are having, you are zero. You are totally imperfect. Your behavior, everything is useless. But you are skilled, you are on top. I will give you one example. One of my friend was here. So he increased the salary of one of his employee. And he was useless in terms of his behavior. And he was given a lot of benefit. The other man was always very decent, 5 times praying, and very humble. Then I asked my friend, this is, I am telling my experience, why you are increasing the salary to that useless person? Even he is not behaving properly. I was knowing both of them. He said, Professor Khan, I am the CEO of company, Chief Executive Officer. I want productivity, I want profit. This useless man is bringing in 10 times more profit and productivity as compared to this man. So even I am just keeping because of his family, otherwise I would have just fired him. So that is what today. Today it is skill. Your perfection, very good writing, very good this, that, all nothing. Just only your skill. And once there was interview in India, somebody went for interview. He just asked, this bottle is there. I want to increase the sale of this bottle 30%. What will you do? Some cold drink. He was shocked. Sir, I will do this, I will do that. That man was not satisfied. Then other person came. He said, sir, yeah, I can do. What I will do, I will inject one chip inside its cover. And that will filter out the ultraviolet light which is falling from sun. He was selected because he is skilled in latest technology. So that is what they need today. Imperfect and skilled. Second, evolving slow. Here evolving very fast with new emerging technologies, because there everything is certain. I got job in the university. After 20 years time, I will become senior lecturer, I will become reader, I will become professor, I will retire and I will get pension. And my son is admitted in mathematics department or chemistry department. He will do his masters and he will be absorbed in the university. He will again join the same, I call it rat race. So the concept of rat race is over. I cannot predict, it's uncertain that what will be the future of my child because of such very aggressive evolving new emerging technologies. You cannot predict. Everything is so uncertain. That is going to be in 2025. It is already happening. Then number 3, that is a green and digital economy. But that green economy means agriculture and digital is combined, still it is slow. Because all other automation, robotic, drone, all are not combined. So here in 2025, we are going to have 12 trillion market of new emerging technologies. I am not talking of billion. I am talking of 12 trillion, 12 trillion means 12,000 billion US dollar economic marketing of all the new emerging technologies. It is associated with all those technologies. And what are those technologies? that is in 2025, world will be evolving faster than 2024, and in the year 2025 you do not need Silicon Valley. In 1990s, everybody was rushing to Los Angeles, California, Silicon Valley because of computer, and they created wealth. Today, technology is flowing to Africa and Asia from your one room by sitting, by creative action, creative thinking, creative writing. You can create huge amount of wealth, millions and billions, only from Bama or Kanduga or Gwaza. Once you are skilled, from any bush you can create huge wealth. No need to go to any mega cities or any big country, even to Silicon Valley, USA. No need. You improve your skill and everything is in space. It's all data, information is coming to you. It is your attitude. So here, no need Silicon Valley to create huge wealth. Rather, hyper personalized remote working in Asia and Africa. Hyper personalized. Hyper means hypo and hyper. High class, very fast, personalized work. Whether you are in Asia, you are in Africa, or you are in Nigeria, door is open. But as far as skill, those who are creative, those who are hardworking, those who are learning every day with new skill and new technology. Then Asia and Africa, with the help of AI, automation, these two things, AI and automation. If I am saying AI, artificial intelligence, is not only tool or application. Artificial intelligence has become the part of life. Artificial intelligence is no more tool or application. It's a catalyst of all growth. Acceleration of all industrial growth is under the umbrella of artificial intelligence tools and applications. Since last 1 year I am saying that please introduce basic concept of artificial intelligence at primary and secondary school level in Nigeria. It's up to leadership. So, and that is there. Number 3, year 2025 means spotting the trends for world that matters. You have to spot very sharp what is the trend of the world in 2025. What type of new technology is twisting? Follow it. That is called spotting of the new technologies, new skills. Yes, you don't think that you are sleeping, you are having job, you are already reader, professor or lecturer, salary automatically is coming. No. Because if you are not learning, improving your skill every day, you will be in isolation, you will be in depression. So please, in 2025, spotting the trends of the world. What is the trend? Technological trend, emerging new technologies, new skills and new technology. Number 4, critical thinking. I have already told you the critical thinking aims and objectives should be very clear to all of you. Then number 5, please do not wait for perfection. This is not the era of perfection. This is the era of imperfection. No need of writing this. We are wasting lot of time digging this, that. What waste of time? Go and improve your skill. Become productive with new creative writing, some creative work in productivity, in agriculture, in animal husbandry. A lot of things are there. You have to be creative. That one. Then let you be imperfect but highly skilled. Number 6, quantum world. I have already told you quantum world means Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, they have introduced last week one quantum chip. The name is Willow. And that window is the fastest qubit of the quantum, and that is in 10 septillion, and that is fastest in second. And I cannot talk of that window chip because it is too early, and I'm not competent unless I go through it in detail, since it is last week. So this is what about 2025. And in the last but not least, with all these new emerging technologies, the human values should be preserved. Behave like a human being, be humble, always be inclusive, and your brain should be open. You should not be dirty in terms of your brain. Your brain is just like molding mud. That mud can be shaped either into kunya or in pitcher or in glass, any, or in good design, or it can be totally rubbish. So improve your brain plasticity by improving lot of connectivity in your brain, that is neuron cells, by connecting with your loved one, taking care, calling them, inviting them, listening them. And if suppose somebody is calling you, nowadays it has become very, very bad habit that people, they are not recalling. Missed call is there, they will just ignore. No, please correct your priority list and be connected, because if you are connected, your lot of anxiety, your lot of mental problem, irritation and overthinking will be drastically reduced. So please, in 2025, you go on improving your skills, go on improving your habits. And if I say your habit, means it includes the diet. Take such type of diet which can drastically reduce your inflammation and oxidative stress. My lot of lectures are there on these two conditions of the health. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress is the mother of most of the health condition, because I am not talking of bacterial, viral or fungal infection, that doctors will take care. But if you can control by modifying your lifestyle, your chronic inflammation and your oxidative stress, then definitely you are okay mentally and physically. So with this, I will stop. So once again, thank you very much, and let year 2025 brings new opportunities, new possibilities, new emerging technologies, so that you can improve your skill to match the today's need and demand. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.